Once again, welcome to all of you in our channel Current Affairs. So let us start with first question. Who is Chief of United Nations? So currently Chief of United Nations is Guterres. Antino Guterres. Next one. Which of the following mobile application is removed by Google Play Store? Removed by Google Play Store recently. So correct answer is barcode scanner. Next one. Which of the following application is included in the Microsoft Team app recently? So there are two applications included in the Microsoft Team app. First one is Milestone and second one is Bulletin. So correct answer is both A and B. Next one. Who is founder of Indian mobile application Koo? K-O-O. So he is Apramaya Radhakrishna. Apramaya Radhakrishna. The Eugenie. Eugenie is princess of she is princess of UK. Next one. Which of the following countries at least 10,000 undocumented migrant 10,000 undocumented migrant demand for legal residency in the Colombia? This word is very important. Undocumented migrant. So the correct answer is Venezuela. Which of the following country recently announced lockdown until 14 March 2021? So it is Germany. Which of the following company makes 100% recycled plastic bottle? 100% recycled plastic bottle for liquid beverages. So it is Coca-Cola. Next one. The Microsoft recently released its security and window update. Its security and window update system. It is called as Page Tuesday. So Microsoft release its security and window update every second Tuesday of each month. Next one. The ADWM automatic deposit and withdraw machine is related to banking service. The Indian origin Sandesh mobile application. The Indian origin Sandesh mobile application is alternative for WhatsApp, and second application Koo is alternative for Twitter. Next one. Which of the following country declared that the traveler arriving from different red list countries? Red list countries means those countries in which coronavirus spread very very much will forced to pay $2410 per person to isolate for 10 days in hotel. So these rules are applicable from 15th of February 2021. So the correct answer is UK. So those who are traveling from red list countries. have to pay at least 200 $2,410 per person for stay in hotel for 10 days. Next one. Which country recently make strict rules in order to prevent coronavirus? In order to prevent coronavirus, and prison sentence of as much as of 10 years if someone do not follow the rules. Means if someone breaks the rules of coronavirus, he may be sentenced as maybe 10 years of prison. So again, this rules is applicable for UK. Which of the following company made partnership with Mastercard to introduce first ever contactless cash withdraw automatic teller machine ATM machine, contactless ATM machine? So the correct answer is AGS Transact Technology Limited. AGS Transact Technologies Limited. Next one. In which of the following countries 6G network service available will be start soon? 6G mobile network services. So USA and China both are trying for 6G mobile network services. Who is winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020? So Manasa Varanasi is winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020. So she is this one. Second one is Manisha Soikant. Manisha Soikant is Femina Miss India Grand 2020. So this one. And Manyasi is runner up. So Manyasi. Next one. Which of the following country bans Indian traveler to not to come in country via UA? So these two countries, Saudi are not allow any Indian to travel to them country via UA. So this country bans Indian travelers. So some traveler first go to India to UAE and from UAE to go Kuwait. So these two countries do not allow Indian people to travel via UAE. So both A and B. Next one. The objective of One Nation, One Gas. One Nation, One Gas is to meeting the natural gas target, connecting the different gas grid, improve the religion imbalance. So this all are included in the One Nation, One Gas grid. The High Court orders status quo for dismantling of Indian aircraft carrier. Dismantling of Indian aircraft carrier. So the correct answer is INS Virat. INS Virat is correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel. Have a good day.